This is a quick video on how to install video cards or other add-in cards in the Dell Optiplex 7010 small form factor. To tell you the small form factor, you'll have a small laptop optical drive like this, along with 4 USB ports. If you have the ultra small form factor, it'll have a smaller front. It will have the laptop optical drive, but only 2 USB ports. Also, the small form factor has a latch that looks like this for the cover. To remove the cover, lift up on the latch, pull up on the cover, it'll angle away, pull it towards you. From there, to access the PCIe slots, you need to lift up this little card retention clip, and you'll need to remove any blanks that are in the way of the slot you want to occupy. This does have 2 x16 size slots, but I don't believe both of them are connected to 16 lanes. I don't remember what the actual lanes are though. The blue slot though, if I remember correctly, is considered the primary slot. So if you're plugging a video card in and you want the maximum performance, that's the slot you're going to want. Now with the default power supply, you're only going to be able to run power or GPUs that do not require power. So an unpowered card like this one, no power connector there. To install it, you just put it straight down in the slot like so. Push into place. Once you're done, you flip that cover down. To remove it, you gotta push on the little blue locking tab. Get some focus. So you push down on that, and then once the retention mechanism's up, you can lift straight up on the card, like so. And that's how you remove it. Now, you may be limited to what cards you want to put in here. Obviously, there's a length limit. But the big thing you also want to consider is if you're going to use this for home lab purposes with like a RAID controller or a 10 gigabit NIC or something fancy, it may not be compatible with this. At a minimum, you might have to take the SM bus pins, which I forget which ones those are off the top of my head, but I will try to put a link to that in the description. If I don't, feel free to let me know. Yeah, and you can put dual video cards in here if you want to be able to run like 4 monitors or more, depending on the video card. But yeah. So once you put your cards in there though, and you lock that down, to reinstall the cover, these tabs line up with those openings, put it in kind of diagonal like that, push down until it locks into place, and you should be good to go.